Hey friend, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what else you would like to see. Today our guests wanted some blonde with a few colorful highlights at the top. I start by using Pop Riot Lightener. I love Pop Riot Lightener because it keeps the curls intact. I used the fall at the top because I wanted the top to be a little lighter. Using the foil creates heat on the hair which helps lighten faster. Using a plastic cap helps to create more heat also. I didn't want to put her under the dryer because I wanted to use the natural heat, because putting her under the dryer might be too much heat. Avoid the dryer as much as possible. I also use Pop Riot Pink and Blue. What I love about Pop Riot semi-colored pink and blue, it leaves the hair feeling shiny and soft, and it lasts a long time, and it fades really well. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment. Let us know what you would like to learn next time. Have a great day.
And yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you.